My name is Jean and this is Teri. Today we are standing in the second floor hallway of the historic Wells House. We want to show you the many photos of the Wells House brides.
We and other Wells House volunteers have asked those that were married here or celebrated their wedding here to please send us some photos of that important time. As you see, we've gathered quite a few. We frame and display them on this bookcase for all that come here to see and enjoy.
The oldest photo we have is of the daughter of W.T. Clark, builder and head of the first family to live in the house. Mary Adelaide Clark was married to David Lewis Oliver in the house on a snowy December 7th, 1910 at 8 p.m. in the evening. The groom was the manager of the Clark Oliver Fruit Company. The new Mr. and Mrs. Oliver made their home here in Wenatchee and lived in the house on the corner of Franklin and Idaho, now in the Grandview Historic District. Here is one of the pictures of Mr. and Mrs. Brandon Harley and another of Mr. and Mrs. Sean McNeil. Mrs. McNeil is my niece. Through the years, volunteers at the house have kept careful records of each ceremony and reception, and with your help, hope to eventually display photos of each one.
This built-in bookcase, a part of the house since the house was built in 1909, is the perfect spot for these photos, as it is near the master bedroom. We now use this lovely restored room, complete with fireplace and turret, as the bride's room. Future brides can use this space to prepare and primp before descending the stairs for their wedding ceremony on the main floor or even outside.
Photos of this bookcase from the 50s show stained glass doors on the front. In this photo, there are several college co-eds sitting by the bookcase, including our present-day volunteer, Judy. She remembers how lovely those doors were. We knew that Mrs. Clark designed many windows for the house, and some do remain. We are quite sure that the doors that were here were designed especially for this house. It would be wonderful to locate these original doors and install them as a memory of the past.
As always, if you have information, items, stories, or wedding photos for the Wells House, please call the museum. Thank you.